At OrePac, our mission is to make complicated simple.
One way we do this is by providing quality products from start to finish.
Our customers trust us to supply furniture-grade doors from one of our 10 facilities from across the West.
And our employees take pride in the great products and services we deliver on a daily basis.
Whether you choose a FinishKote paint or PrismaGuard stain,
We offer peace of mind with a 10-year warranty.
And a flawless finish.
the PrismaGuard stain is specially formulated for Therma-Tru doors and provides a beautiful and protective high-definition finish. After your entry system has been expertly machined in our state-of-the-art shop, we begin the 4-step PrismaGuard staining process. First, we start with a base coat that provides an even, consistent base color across the surface of the door. A wiping stain is then sprayed on and followed with hand brushing, which gives a real wood look. We then add the first layer of top coat. This enhances the grain and color while protecting against scratches and color fading. Lastly, the second application of top coat is added to ensure a durable finish and a 10-year warranty. Once your entry system has been adequately cured, we take the extra step to carefully prepare your door for shipment.
With an eye for detail, our skilled door shop professionals take the time to ensure each door represents our dedication to high quality, from fabrication to delivery. By choosing a PrismaGuard stain or FinishKote paint, your Therma-Tru door by OrePac will offer low maintenance and lasting beauty. And our daily commitment to excellence assures that you've made the best selection for your home.